The population growth has been the most evident, and there doesn't seem to be, from my observations, the transient tradespeople. The people who are coming north now come with their wife and children, and they buy a house and they set their businesses up, and they do the right thing by the regulations. Whereas back in the 70s and 80s, it was we'll go to Queensland for a holiday and we'll pick up a bit of work while we're there and go back home after that. So that's what I've noticed. The commercial industry has grown astronomically. Just about every industry that we need, we can get materials from or equipment from. The cabinet makers, there's quite a few of them now. There's a few trades that are hard to come by. Good quality bricklayers and block layers are hard to come by. And the ones who are good are flat out and booked out for 3-4 months at a time. Our standard in our business is I make sure that everybody finishes the job properly and it's done to a high standard, and if they don't work for us. So to do that, we've got to have the quality of materials when we buy from our suppliers, and we've got to be able to get it in a reasonable time.